Red team!
Who shot ya? Separate the weak from the opsa. Leak hard to creep them Brooklyn streets. It's on, nigga, fuck all that bickering beef. I can hear sweat trickling down your cheek. Your heartbeat sound like Sasquatch feet. Thundering, shaking the concrete. Then the shit stopped when I fall the plot. Neighbors call the cops as they heard mad shots. Saw me in the drop, 3 1/4. Slaughter, electrical tape around the water. Old school, new school, need to learn though. I burn, baby, burn like disco inferno. Burn slow like blunts with yayo. Peel more skins than Idaho potato. Niggas know the lyrical molesting is taking place. Fucking with B.I.G. it ain't safe. I make your skin chafe. Rashes on the masses, bumps and bruises, blunts and Land Cruisers. Big Papa smash fools, bash fools. Niggas mad because I know the cash rules. Everything around me, 2 Glock 9s. Any motherfucker whispering about mines. And I'm Crooklyn's finest. You rewind this back. Who shot y'all?
This is why. This is why. This is why. This is why.
This is why I choose Ergo Tune.
Ergo be like.
This is why. This is why. This is why. This is why. This is why.
This is why I choose Ergo Tune. Spending hours on end in the studio, working on my craft. Ergo Tune is instrumental to my focus.